Okay, it's hot. Hot.
Cicola.
Hot.
Can you show the camera?
Steaming. It's very rich. And creamy. Chicken. Gonna make a salad to go with this, but yeah.
Delicious. Cicola.
All right, good afternoon, fans. Good afternoon. Today we're going to try something a little bit different, and I'm going to tell you I have no clue what I'm doing. None at all. We're going to try some chicken Alfredo. I love pasta, but I don't know how to cook pasta. So Jazz is a pasta expert, so I'm going to use her today. I'm not sure what old man's going to be doing, but I will tell you.
I'm going to be behind the camera. I'm going to be behind the camera.
But I will tell you this.
Cicola.
I hope so. I know if it don't turn out right, he's going to say, babe, I love you, but that one don't work. He's going to be honest with me. So, fingers crossed, it's going to turn out good. So, we're going to try some chicken Alfredo. Let's see how it turns out. All right. So, just so you know, this is not a tutorial on how to cook Alfredo. We're just trying something today. So, we're hoping that it's going to turn out good. So, you don't necessarily need to follow us. We're just trying a little thing. So, we got this pack of Alfredo from the store. It comes with everything. So there's chicken, there's veggies in there, and it also comes with the Alfredo sauce. Just in case we need more, we went out and got this Alfredo sauce. We've tried this before and it turns out pretty good. To that, we're gonna add just some chicken breast. So I'm gonna cut that up now, and some shrimp. Right? Even though there's chicken in there, it's not enough chicken for us. So the first thing I want to do is to get the pasta on the stove because we need some Ital pasta. We're going to pop that in the pot so that it can get started. And then we're going to start with the chicken. So Jasmine's going to do that for me while I get started on cutting up some chicken breast. The game has started.
No, it's not. I'm done.
All right, so let me just cut up some of this chicken. Trying to get cube size. It's not going to be exactly cube size, but it will work. Now I'm going to add just a little bit, wash it. And of course, season it a little bit, some Maggi, some veg seasoning, so that it's tasty. All right. All right. I got the big noodles. And I was gonna get this size new one. I changed my mind.
These are called Alfredo.
Yeah,
Oh no, sorry, penne. They're called
penne. I'm gonna do some Maggi seasoning. Don't ask me how much I use. I just throw until it looks good. All right. A little black pepper. And this seasoning, love it. I'm almost out, so I gotta find some more. But this works great on your meat. All right. And that is it. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. And I'm gonna head over to the pot. I'm gonna show you what's going on over there. Come with me. We've got our pasta going. See was that I already have my pasta on the stove. Just grab my spoon. So pasta is going. So that's working. It's gonna soften up a little bit before I add it to the rest of the ingredients. The next thing I wanna do is to get the chicken and the shrimp cooked before I add in the mixed veggies with the Alfredo dressings. So pasta is looking good.
It's following you.
All right. Grab a little bit of Caribbean spice and garlic. To be well seasoned.
Okay.
Right. So, gonna get my chicken on the stove. A little bit of oil. No, nice. Turn that down. Where's my glove? No. It's coming along. It's coming along. Yep, it's coming along. Looking good. Put some more. So we're gonna let it cook some more, and then we'll add our shrimp. All right, thank you. Looking good. Pasta is coming along. Right. We need about another 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll be good. All right, so our chicken is just about ready. So I'm gonna get our shrimp in. So what I do is just to add, this is garlic and olive oil. Really handy. You just crush all of the garlic one time, drop some olive oil in there, it's ready to go. So the chicken is about ready. What I'm going to do now is add the garlic. This is a bottle of olive oil and garlic. So what I normally do is just crush up a lot of garlic, add some olive oil to it, it's ready to go. So you don't have to be chopping garlic all the time. Just add a bit of that to my shrimp. Just a spot because it's already strong. All right. And then pop over to my chicken.
some shrimp in. Now, mix that up nice and good. So next is our pasta. It's ready to go. Just gonna spring that out. I'm gonna add that to our garlic shrimp and chicken, as well as our Alfredo mix, which we have over here ready to go. So once the shrimp is mostly cooked, add this, add our Alfredo sauce, cook that up nice and good, and then add our pasta. We'll see how it goes. All right, so here's our chicken with shrimp, looking good. Now we're gonna throw in our Alfredo sauce. So I'm gonna start with the one that came with the package. Let's cut that open. And dump that in. Making a mess. If this is not enough, then I will use the Alfredo sauce that I bought. But I think this should be good, considering that I have no clue what I'm doing. But let's give it a shot. Yeah, because there's chicken. So now I'm going to add the veggies that came with the Alfredo package. Looks like I'm going to need some more Alfredo sauce. For me, I don't think this is enough. I mean, it looks good, but I think I need more Alfredo sauce on this. So I'm going to add some of what I bought. What do you think? Put the whole bottle?
This without the microphone.
All right. So we are done. Just move that aside. Take a look, people. Take a look. Like I said, this is my first time ever cooking pasta, and I love pasta. So let me just turn my pot off. I'm gonna scoop out a little bit of this. Oh, actually looks good. Look at that. I like it. I like it. All right. Close that. Now bring that over. I'm gonna grab some Parmesan cheese. All right, so Parmesan cheese. The old man wants to try it, so I'm gonna get him a fork.
Okay.
Okay, it's hot. Hot.
See color?
Hot.
Can you show the camera? The
Steaming. It's very rich. And creamy. Chicken. Gonna make a salad to go with this, but yeah.
Let's go. Very good. Chicken.
I pass.
Where's your shrimps?
What did I? Well, there's more shrimp.
Bring shrimps, man. Bring shrimp. Bring shrimp.
Yeah.
I try the shrimp.
Should I try to put the bigger shrimp in there? Okay.
Very
So
good.
Does that mean I don't have to sleep on the couch tonight?
That's good. It's confirm. Confirm. It's good. See color.
Yeah, my first time trying.
Confirm. Confirm.
I just it's not bad at all.
Confirm.
Okay, guys, this is it. My first time making chicken Alfredo. Apparently, it's a pass. So I want to thank you for watching this video. Hope you like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. If you try it, and tell me what you think. And until next time, take care.